Killer.
Oh boy!
Oh, look at
It
that.
is in here. You were absolutely right.
That's amazing. Look at that.
Do your feet dance. This is a big moment.
Oh my God,
You
look.
called it right.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 honeycombs.
Awesome.
Oh my God, wow.
Saved us a lot of work.
We did it. We found it.
Good
Awesome. Yes. Woo.
Let's get this done. Okay, I gotta cut the other side open for light so I can see what I'm doing and also give it some airflow for the bees. Here I go. I'm gonna smoke the bees a little bit.
It's like a treasure hunt.
A lot of times when I open up a wall, I play a game with myself. And when I get it open, it's really nice to see either it's what I think it is or what it isn't. It just depends on what I imagine it to be. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. Come on, girl. All those baby bees. Each cell has a baby bee in it. Those are all the nurse bees on the other side there.